Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 44 minutes, most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can also check the unlocks and the notifications count. If you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard where you can tap on a specific day and check the screen time and compare it. Under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using with a specific time of spent on them. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, or you can tap directly on one app. So for example, settings, phone, YouTube, camera, whatever you've got here. So let's tap on it, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, and again you can compare the usage time in particular days. You can set daily or hourly, and the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.